Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem faced by developers when dealing with marks in C++. The issue at hand arises when trying to maintain marks in separate files while combining them in tests using multiple inheritance. The goal is to have a single name to refer to these marks, making the code more organized. However, a hiccup occurs when using gmark struct, requiring each base to be wrapped separately, leading to repetitive code. The inefficiency and lack of compactness in this process call for a more streamlined solution. When we look at the solution provided, a clever approach emerges to tackle this problem effectively. By using templates and structs, we can create a more concise and elegant way to handle strict marks in our tests. The code snippet presented demonstrates how we can define a template struct that allows us to combine multiple marks into a single entity, while also providing a mechanism to easily convert them to strict marks. This approach significantly reduces redundancy and enhances code readability, making our testing process smoother and more efficient. In summary, by leveraging templates and structs creatively, we found a smart workaround to optimize the handling of marks in C++ testing scenarios. The solution not only simplifies the process of combining marks using multiple inheritance, but also offers a neat way to convert them to strict marks when needed. And with that, we wrap up our exploration of this coding challenge. Remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below because testing might be tough, but with cool solutions like this, we can definitely make it smoother and more fun. See you next time.